For just a couple of minutes, let's presuppose that something odd and unaccountable is happening in your world. It started about 3 weeks ago. You don't understand what it is, why it's here, what it wants, only that your life, your physical life, has now changed. It's as if you are now under the gaze of some sort of scrutiny. Something is keeping tabs on you. Something is tracing your footfalls. Something is hovering about you day and night. You don't see it because it's invisible, but it sees you, and the reason why it sees you is, well, about 3 weeks ago, when all of this started, that was just about the time you started to exploring the dark arts. Remember? You thought it would be fun, educational, a hoot. Yep. Yeah, you did. You dipped your toe into the darkness just about the time that all of these unaccountable things began to appear in your life. And it seems that it's getting worse as time progresses. You are now entertaining visitations by something you know not what at night while you are in bed. Sound asleep, your mind is being invaded. Your secret desires are being probed, undone, if you will, uncovered, brought to the surface for use against you. Your own inequities, your own weaknesses are now the instruments the demon is going to use to unravel you, to compromise you, to possess you, and ultimately to harvest you. And you still don't have a clue as to what it is that's going on or why. You've even brought this up to other members of the gathering that you're attending to get some sort of an answer that might make sense from the group. But they're puzzled for the main part. They don't quite understand what it is that you're experiencing. And you get the feeling that they're not at all truthful with you. They're setting you up for something. You're a prime candidate. They're going to use you to bring to fruition a particular ritual. One of the rituals that do not want or need to be risen and brought forth. And you're going to be the prime candidate. You're going to be the subject. The word sacrifice wasn't used, but the word subject was. And they're so happy that you are now with them and you are now a member. That they're going to do all they can to protect you and guard you because you are now some sort of key that they want to use to unlock some rather dark, forbidden information. Funny how it all kind of flipped from one to the other, from good to not so good, from light to dark, and there you are, caught in the middle of it all. Open up to me is what the demon is saying. While you still can, while you can still get a handle on this, accept and believe that Jesus Christ is your Lord and Savior. Become one of Jesus Christ's own while you still can. And don't put this off, because tomorrow is not guaranteed to anyone. Until next time, this is Stephen. Talk to you when the wind shifts. See ya. Bye.